Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2016 Reflection from Grand Design. This is a triple slide travel trailer, model 313 RLTS. That means it's a rear living travel trailer, 3 tip outs. We got the power hitch jack, fiberglass cap on the front. These have the LED lights built right in. Really looks cool at night. You can see down the sides, nice and clean. All the graphics are in good shape. We've got these oversized compartment doors that are huge. You can put the big coolers in here. You name it, if you want to take it with you. Also outside, we have a big awning, outside speakers, tinted glass, the aluminum steps, Arctic insulation package, and there's the model 313 RLTS. This also has alloy wheels. The opposing rear slides makes this thing huge inside. The back here we have, of course, rear living is going to have the big window. Got the looks like we got a camera ready set up here. Receiver hitch if you want to bring a bicycle rack. And here's the rest of our slide outs from behind. On this unit, a couple things to point out. It has a little owie. Where is it? Right here under the slide. See there where it's rubbed. And I noticed another little bump to it right there. I mean, it's trivial, but might as well, you know, point it out. Let's take a look inside. Wait till you see all the room inside here. Look at that. What a great alternative to a fifth wheel if you don't want to deal with the stairs, because we're getting the same components here. We're getting the center island. You're getting the big screen TV, full kitchen slide out. The entire kitchen pretty much is all within that slide. Lots of storage, lots of cabinetry. We've got glass panel cabinets. Got a great little area here for storage too. Notice it's all plywood, roller, guide, ball bearing, extenders. Booth dinette. Of course, now this will make into a bed. We've got theater seating, so you can enjoy your big screen TV and fireplace. And a rear sofa as well, with stands on both sides, overhead cabinetry, LED lights. Look at the pantry. Plenty of room for the groceries there. We have more storage here in our center island. We also have the big stainless steel sinks. Let's take a walk up to the front. Rounded corners, the bathroom. It's got the foot flush toilet, rounded shower, sink, vanity. Even has lots of linen storage on these mirrored cabinet doors. And then on to the very front, this is our bedroom, which has its own slide out. That allows the queen bed to be in the slide out. Headboard incorporated right in. Mirrored cabinet closet space here. All this room is giant in there, absolutely giant. And we've got more storage underneath. Aluminum frame construction, built-in dresser right by the window, and another television. And of course, access into the bathroom from the front. So check out a great alternative to a fifth wheel and a great product, Grand Design. 313 RLTS right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.